welcome to Baylis Vauxhall. Today we're viewing a Toyota CHR 1.2 Turbo XL 4-wheel drive auto. This model is covered just 16,771 miles suspension in silver. Also comes with a Baylis warranty with the option to extend it to up to 36 months. It comes with many features including rear spoiler, privacy glass, parking sensors and reversing camera. As you open the tailgate, you'll find a spacious boot with a 60/40 split folding rear seats and top tether fixings. As we continue round, there are LED taillights, stylish 18-inch alloy wheels, shark fin roof aerial, colour-coded door handles and mirrors with built-in indicators, and LED daytime running lights. Inside is a central display in the dashboard with trip computer, automatic lights, audio and Bluetooth controls for cruise control, automatic wipers as well, electric mirrors and front and rear electric windows, touchscreen infotainment system with DAB radio, plus Bluetooth connectivity for your phone, and satellite navigation, dual zone climate control, USB connection for your mobile device, automatic CVT gearbox, electric parking brake and central storage, full grey leather, rear headrests and ISOFIX provision. If you're interested in this vehicle, then please give us a call at Baylis Vauxhall.